Hello everyone. Welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Cram, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge tagged for yourself to protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions for requirements to learn and obtain effect, and so on. We are already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we teach the desk action, leg action, hand action, and connect action. Somebody asked how many quantity we need to do for each day. That's action. Good question. We give correct answer is 100 times. Because after our few decades deeply research and back practice, we got a final conclusion is 100 times correct enough. Somebody asked, shall we do more? No, you only can do 100 times. The reason is, if one action you do too much, maybe will hurt your body inside some parts or organs. That's what we don't want, right? Shall we do less? Of course, especially for beginner. That your new joint, you need to practice, you need to adjust and make a correct action. So maybe you can do less. However, when you get a professional, you must do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before they do 100 times action, we need to know a couple of things. Everybody must remember. Number one, feet touch floor shoulder lightly. And for your good standing, 2 foot form T-shape. And step out and must cross center line, body center line. Okay, cannot do that only that. And the big toe, second toe. And we still hold that leg. Of course, you should keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward and backward. The hand as close as your body, and then move side and with your body one flat and go to top. Only one line, ear side, one line. Cannot do that way, and in here cannot do that way, that way. Yes, only one line. Okay, we also need a count. Used 2 different language. In here we choose English and Hanyu. Somebody say, why we should need to choose two kind of language to count? Good question, because our check and long also need exercise every day. So we need to choose two kind of different language to count. Far away broadcasts, pandemic, long disease, and many different diseases. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. That's math. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish language. Only need two kind of different language to count, to protect our check and law. Okay, now we also should remember eyes look straight, smiling your face, and head think how can make our self action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 100 times for each day. That's action each day quote. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 5, 5, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 6, 6, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 7, 7, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 8 8 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 9 9 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 10 10 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Very good. Do the action should slowly, okay, one by one. Cannot make fast. And every action should make correct. Somebody say, I cannot match that point. So you can do that slowly, that and after. But you cannot do that way. Yes. Only read and then they match. Yes. Step by step, don't worry. But the correction must make correct. That's very important. So watch TV, watch the education video courses. After a few days, absolutely, you can do right, correct action. Trust yourself. You're so smart. Absolutely, you can do. That's the simple actions. Then correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. At home, you can easily protect your own health. Far away, bronchitis, lung disease, pandemic, and many diseases. You gotta have it. Enjoy your wonderful life.